It may look like an ordinary boat being built on the shores of the Indian Ocean in Lamu, along Kenya's coast. But there is nothing normal about this boat. Local boat makers are building what they call flip-floppy, using mostly plastic waste and discarded flip-flops that often wash up ashore. If it works, the plan is to eventually build a 60-foot dhow like this one, which is usually built with wood. It will sail to South Africa with the hope of creating awareness about the devastation brought about by plastic dumped into the ocean.
It will be a good message to the world because this is a moving object. You know, people have done different type of recycled things, but it's not 100% everybody sees it. But when it's a moving object, it will reach to many parts.
This is one of the cleanest beaches on the coast. Local residents load trash they've collected for the last 2 months. Plastic bottles, polythene bags, flip-flops, which will be used to make the boat. The waste ends up in a factory in Malindi, more than 200 kilometers away. This is where plastic waste is crushed or shredded and melted using that machine and molded into planks that the dhow will need. The factory receives trash washed ashore from countries in Africa and Asia, and also rubbish collected locally. Getting an end product that is strong and safe to withstand the ocean has been tough.
We are making the first of. Nobody's ever made a beam out of plastic that's 10 meters long, 22 centimeters wide, 25 centimeters deep. That's a huge piece of plastic. So we have tried multiple ways of doing it, multiple types of materials, stabilizers and all kinds of things to make sure it gets better and better.
Back in Lamu, Ali Skonda and his workers give us an idea of how the boat and eventually the dhow will look like. It will be covered using this colorful print made from more than 200,000 used flip-flops. They say they're not only campaigning against ocean pollution, but also for what is a dying culture of traditional boat making. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera, on the Kenyan coast.